Hey there, agriculture enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into something truly inspiring, how the Oromia region, specifically the West Arsi Zone of Ethiopia, is transforming its agricultural landscape. From Shashamene to Negel Arsi, Shala, Gadab Hasasa, Dodala, and other West Arsi woredas, amazing things are happening. First up, let's talk about wheat. Wheat production here has skyrocketed thanks to new farming techniques and better seed varieties. Farmers are now seeing higher yields and improved quality, which is not just boosting local food security, but also positioning Ethiopia as a significant player in the global wheat market. But that's not all. Maize, another staple crop, is also on the rise. Through the use of modern irrigation systems and fertilizers, maize fields are thriving. This means more food for local communities and a surplus that's ready for export. Now let's move on to something a bit sweeter, bananas. The tropical climate in West Arsi is perfect for banana cultivation. Farmers have adopted sustainable practices, ensuring that their banana plantations are both productive and environmentally friendly. This not only boosts income for local farmers, but also provides nutritious food for the region. And we can't forget about honey. Ethiopia is renowned for its rich beekeeping tradition, and the Oromia region is no exception. Beekeepers are embracing modern hive technologies which are increasing honey yields and quality. This golden nectar is in high demand both locally and internationally. Rice cultivation is also making waves. With improved water management and resilient rice varieties, farmers are able to produce more rice than ever before. This is a game changer for food security in the region, ensuring that there's enough to feed the growing population. These initiatives are not just about increasing productivity, they're about sustainability too. Integrated pest management, crop rotation, and organic farming are all part of the equation. By adopting these practices, farmers are protecting their land for future generations while also maximizing their current output. So why does all this matter? It matters because these efforts are transforming lives. More food, better income, and a healthier environment mean a brighter future for the people of Oromia. It's about turning potential into reality and setting a shining example for other regions to follow. In summary, the agricultural initiatives in Oromia's West Arsi Zone are a testament to what can be achieved with innovation, dedication, and a focus on sustainability. Wheat, maize, bananas, honey, rice, each of these is a success story in its own right. Together, they're driving significant progress in food security and economic growth. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to the continued transformation of Ethiopia's agriculture. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the world of agriculture.